Hello, DR fam! How's everyone today? We pray that all is well with your life. At eto na naman kami, after a long time without vlogging, vlog na naman. Pero late upload na to kasi nung sa Baguio pa namin to, nung kami nagpunta sa Igorot Stone Kingdom with Zia and of course, my lovely and beautiful wife. So, after a long and tiring ride, kami po ay nakarating dito sa Igorot Stone Kingdom located at Baguio City. And we enjoyed the view, worth it naman, yung mahabang biyahe. And of course, he's enjoying too. So, this is a man-made buildings made of stones. So, just see how creative yung mga kapatid natin na Igorot. So it's one of the newest attraction in Baguio. It's a man-made park lang, made out of stone that showcases Igorot culture. So the inspiration is based on a legend of a lost Igorot Stone Kingdom. Pero may entrance fee dito once you access on this place. I think nung last kaming pumunta, it's 130 pesos for the adult and 100 pesos naman para sa mga 12 years old and below. And a fun fact about this Igorot Stone Kingdom is that it was inspired by a dream featuring a white carabao, which is a symbolic divine message in Igorot culture. The founder, it was Pio Velasco, interpreted this dream as a call to build a monument to honor his mother and the Igorot lineage. So there are also different attractions here, like you can ride a horse just like what Zia did. Ang tapang-tapang niya, di ba? Siya lang mag-isa at ayaw talaga niya magpahawak siya. So nakapag-picture siya with a beautiful pink horse. Sakay daw siya horse, sabi niya, kaya ayan, napagbigyan ng bata. Pero may bayad dyan ha, 50 pesos per person ang shot. At sila na yung magtitake ng picture. And if you are a family, you can also be there. And meron din sila dito na parang mining cave. And you can enter here for free actually. Kaso medyo marami lang tao kaya hindi kami masyadong nakasingit sa pinakaloob. At ayan, pababa na yan kami. And there's Zia actually is enjoying yung pababa more than yung pag-akyat. For some reason kasi siguro dahil mas madaling bumaba, kaya mas nag-enjoy siya ng pababa. So I would just like to give emphasis on what I said earlier about starting from a dream, tapos nag-build siya ng Stone Kingdom. Imagine how powerful a dream is. Kapag ito ay ating binigyang pansin, it will turn into vision. And that vision will turn into reality. It will manifest if we will just work on it. So it all starts with a dream. Ano ba yung mga pangarap na meron ka as of the moment? Why don't you share your dream? And why not call for someone who will be supporting your dream, pray for your dream, na laging nandyan para we will build bigger dreams altogether. Diba? So be with those people. Okay? Hindi yung nagbabasag ng trip natin. Anyway, wrapping this up, we enjoyed every scenery. We enjoyed even our way going up here. Pleasing in the eyes. Masarap din yung weather. And of course, Zia enjoyed it too with ice cream. Thank you for watching everyone. Hanggang dito na lang po muna. God bless and have a great day ahead. Bye, DR fam!